Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a simple Java program that takes user input and manipulate a string in a few different ways. So it's a great way to understand how string work in Java. Let's get started. So first, we need to import the scanner class. This allows us to get input from the user through the console. And we're gonna use that using import Java util scanner. Next, we define our class. So here our class name XYZ. And inside it, we have the main method, the entry point of the program. So let's create a scanner object. Then we prompt the user to enter a string. System out. And here we're gonna ask the user to enter string. At this point, the program will wait until the user types something and press enter. Whether the user type gets stored in a variable, we're going to name this variable A using the object, the scanner object, NS, next line. We use next line with a string variable, like next int when we have an integer object. Here we will run. And now let's enter hello, like the assignment say in our example. On the right side, we're going to write hello. Okay, it works. Now what we're going to do, we go into the second, to answer the second question. We convert this string to uppercase and print it. So here, system out println, we're going to use the function uppercase, the variable a, and then two uppercase. So if the user type hello, this is going to print hello all in capital. And now before that, let's print, find how many characters are in the string. Yes, I answered the third question before the second question. You can see that. So here, hello. Look how many characters I have. I have 5 characters. So for example, hello has 5 characters, so it print 5. Okay. I answered the third question instead of the second question. Okay. Here we're going to convert it to the uppercase. So if the user typed hello, this is going to print hello all in capital using CISO, system out println. We have this variable b to store this is going to print hello, like you say. Okay. Now we're going to answer the fourth question. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace O with Z. It should print hello, hello, not hello, it's hello, finish with Z. So we're going to create a variable. C is a string and use our function replace. The first O we're going to replace it with a Z. It should become HELLZ. So here, let's run to check if this works. You have to save first. Okay, enter string. We have hello all in lowercase, become uppercase. We have the length, and then we replaced O with a Z. Okay, now we're going to get the last character of the string. Question is give the last character of the string. It should print Z, not O, because the previous question replace O with a Z. So here we're going to use charAt. This is the function that we're going to use it, but before we have to create a variable C with a data type char. And now remember the last Z, we have to use -1 because in the Java, the length it starts with a 0, not with a 1. So here, the last character of hello, it's Z, so that's what we get printed. What gets printed. So here we're going to get the last character of the string. Let's run our code again. Please enter a string. Hello. Do you see? We get the last character. Now we're going to answer the last question. Concatenate the string from the step 1. Step 1, it's hello. With the string test. Okay. So it should print hello test. We have like a space between hello and test. So here we're going to concatenate the original uppercase with another string test. We will also add a space in between to make it readable. So here we create a variable f. This variable is a string. And then another variable string to store the new sentence A to uppercase, concatenate, concat, space, and then another concat for the new variable f. So here, if our input was hello, lowercase, this is going to print hello, capital, test. Here, I change it. I didn't print out hello lowercase like it said in the question. Uh, I going to print hello capital. That's why I just modify my last question, number 6. I mentioned here so you can understand what we going to concatenate. Not hello in lowercase. Make sure if you wanna answer the number 6 like it said, you just write a concatenate with concatenate f space and then concatenate with f. You have to remove two uppercase. You don't need it. Okay. So here, my question that I answered is to print the uppercase hello, not the lowercase. Here, hello, hello, text. That's it. Okay. So at this point in this program, we learned how to read input from the user, convert string to uppercase, replace character, get the last character, concatenate string. It's simple but powerful. So it's example to understand string manipulation in Java. So if you like this video, just make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you next time.